You. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy SRT Josiah, back with another video. So today I'm giving y'all a tour on my brand new mansion. But y'all see these cars right here? This is my first car. I had the white one, new. I just bought it. But let's check in the house. Okay, so first let's start with the garage. My charger. The Charger is my second car. Lamborghini. I got this couple weeks ago. The Quartz V. Got that a year ago. This is the theater. Down. Worry about that table. My fat friend sat on it, which I'm still mad about that. Some of the rooms I'm still doing so. Living room. Kitchen. Just wait until you see this. Y'all like it? Bathroom. I like bathrooms with 2 sinks. They just look nice. Use this for like bathroom stuff, like towels. By the way, this lights up. My office. My other Lamborghini. Just wait for the other car out there. Now, let's go see the backyard. Another Bugatti. Grill. Pool. Oh, by the way, forgot to show y'all this. But it got buttons for you to close and open the garage. Y'all ready to do upstairs? Okay, so this is a room for my company. Bathroom. Another room for only when I have company. Alright, let's do the other side. Bathroom. Empty room. Bathroom. Maybe I should put gaming stuff in here. That cat just looks so sweet. Bowling room. Oh, guys, I gotta tell y'all something close to the video. Another room. Picture? That's a nice view. Bathroom. Okay, so I'm having a house party tomorrow in my new mansion. So it starts at 2:39 to 3:50. Music and stuff. I will have this sorted tomorrow at 8. Maybe this room I can put tables in. Stuff. In? Yeah, that's it. So maybe I can do some stuff for it today, for the party. In? Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys.